Fluval wants $85 for this small box and $150 for the big one. That's almost $250 for the rocks and sand. I'm opening both side by side so you can see exactly what you're paying for and whether it's actually worth it. Welcome to Glass Garden. If you're new here, we're all about low-tech planted aquariums. We keep it simple and beginner friendly. It's about the Fluval Aquascaper Black Basalt Canyon sets. We're doing the Mega and the Nano, boxed piece by piece. If this is your thing, make sure you subscribe. New videos every week. Let's get into it. We have the Nano on the right and the Mega on the left. What are the core differences? It looks like we do get a little bit more stone, especially mainly one bigger piece, which is right here. Here's the Mega, this is our big piece. So I do want to keep these separated so we know though. And then on the bags, so this is our base substrate. I believe it's probably crushed lava rock. We get one bag on the Mini and 2 bags on the Mega. The detail stones, so these are small detail stones. It's the same on both, so same bag on both. Talk about, we get 2 different choices of aquarium sand. We have black and we have tan. And we get a small bag of each, so you could choose from. And then over here, we get a slightly bigger bag, right? So you could see the difference. Let's put one. I think you get roughly 1.5 times the amount. And then on the base layer, or this is our nutrients, I believe. Yeah, plant substrate, right? I don't know if we're going to use this. We might. I think we're going to use aqua soil, but regardless, if you are using this, it's a full kit. You can use this. There has to be nutrients in it for them to say that. But you can see the difference. You get that small bag, and then you get this bag of it here. And that is the full kits.